Guys, the creator economy is booming. We are seeing all the big, tech giants set up their own creator platforms, their own creator services. We're seeing Google for creators. Instagram has a creators account. TikTok has creator awards. LinkedIn for creators. Creators. So this shows that, first of all, everyone knows that this is the new world that we're going to start living in, right? We're at the very cusp of it all. So if you are a creator or influencer who is joining the Sidewalker Daily channel, this is your first time, welcome. This is what we talk about here on this channel all day long. So for today's video, I want to talk about monetization, some new updates, what we can expect in 2022, really on Instagram and Facebook. That's what I want to dive into today. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you are a creator or an influencer or a brand that is interested in all things influencer and creator, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be kept up to date when we release videos weekly. Now, one of the things that we're seeing pop up in 2022 is this concept of earning ad revenue through your in-stream videos. So a lot of Instagrammers spend time producing video content, like even us right here on YouTube. We have long form video content, and YouTube lets us run ads to our videos, and we as a channel get to make money off those ads. Hooray, right? Well, Instagram has caught on and realized that this is something that they too need to implement to, one, get longer form videos on their platform. They just want to dominate, honestly. They want to dominate in every space, which I guess any business would want to do, right? So they want to take some of that long form video content that YouTube is usually known for and give creators like you and me an opportunity to monetize our platforms over there. So this is going to look very similar to YouTube, right? In terms of how it plays out. Creators are going to be able to go into their settings. They're going to be able to add the option to get ad revenue through their video content. Now, it's important to note that the videos obviously have to be over a minute long in length, and there's certain eligibility requirements to see if you are able, if this has been rolled out to you yet. You would just go over and head to your settings, then you would hit creator, and then you would hit your in-stream video ads. And this is where you would be able to add ads to a video. Now, you may have a video coming out that you don't want to run ads to, so you would be able to turn it off per video, which again, you can do that monetization on YouTube as well. So I think this is something we're going to be seeing lots more of. And what this tells me is that Instagram really wants to push video, right? So much so that they're going to give us a revenue cut and an ad split with the platform to be able to incentivize creators to put their videos on Instagram. Now, we're seeing other ways that Instagram is letting creators monetize, things like fan support, right? So this is clearly on badges, incentivizing creators to go live. Hey, go live, and then your audience can, buy a badge. And this is a way to kind of thank you for your content, right? So whether it be coming directly from your audience as a way to thank you, we're seeing creators monetize on badges, but Instagram is also setting up their own little bonuses, right? So you may have seen, if you are a creator, you may have seen that Instagram was paying for reels, they were paying for different bonus milestones, right? And I think this is a glimpse of what's to come. Now, if you're not familiar, and I'm speaking too fast, let me just quickly explain what happened. Instagram was actually paying creators to produce certain content, right? So I remember for us, it was if you go live by this date, you're going to get X amount of money. And if you go live with another person by this date, you're going to get this. And it basically is you have to hit these milestones to get paid, right? And Instagram is the one paying you directly. We saw this with Instagram Lives. We saw this done with Reels. So creators are making money, even if it's just a couple $100 for content that they were already making, right? So this is, again, Instagram paying creators, giving them an opportunity to make money off the content that they're making anyways, right? So it's pretty cool to see this actually happen and seeing creators, start monetizing this way. Now, another big way that creators are monetizing on Instagram is obviously through branded content. And it's cool because Instagram is giving us features to allow us to tag our brand partners, to give them access to, the insights, us also making it very transparent for the user to know this is in paid promotion with this brand, right? So Instagram is actually developing tools to make this process easier. I think branded content this is obviously where we're seeing higher paychecks, right? So what I mean is on a badge, depending on your numbers and your followers, that's what is going to depend how much money maybe you make from, an Instagram badge, right? Or even your ad revenue from the views. But what's cool about branded content is that this is between you and the brand, right? What you pitch, what you're able to negotiate, what you're able to, get in terms of payment is really based on your pitch, your quality of work, what you bring to the table for your brand partner. Now, here at Sidewalker Daily, this is our signature thing that we love to talk about, is helping creators work with brands. We have creators with as little as 1,800 followers, getting paid brand deals. We have creators at all levels, all niches, tons of success stories, tons of wins of having creators finally making those 4 to 5 figure deals, 6-figure big brand partnerships with the brands of their dreams, while working with us and learning, how to pitch. So if you are interested in getting those paid brand deals and working more with brands in 2022, check out the link below. We have a free training monthly. You can come join us for a free training. And we also have an amazing course all on how to pitch to brands. So you can learn about that on your own free time. Now, another cool thing Instagram is doing this year is rolling out their affiliate tool. I think this is really, really exciting to see where this is all gonna go. So before, as a creator, you would have to use a third-party platform to do affiliate, right? Now you're gonna be able to promote products within the app, and you're gonna be able to get a commission directly from within the Instagram app, right? So you no longer will be needing, third-party affiliate tools when Instagram is going to be able to make it so that you can promote the products that you're already promoting. As a creator and an influencer, I see people promote all the time the products that they're using, wearing, enjoying, all of that. Now, through this new affiliate tool that has not been rolled out to everyone yet, so please don't think that you haven't gotten it yet. It's still in beta, it's still being tested, but this is a tool that's going to really change the game, because influencers, creators, people who are posting are going to be able to get a commission of the things that they promote already. And two, if you ask me from a pitching perspective, I think it's going to be really cool to be able to show brands, hey, look at the numbers that I can pull in for you. Like, I have clout, right? As a creator or an influencer, you're going to be able to start showing your value. And that's one thing we can't stress enough when you are pitching and talking to brands, is showing the value. So the Instagram affiliate system that they're building is going to really help creators do just that. Now, if you're a creator that owns your own product, let's just say you have merch or swag, or you've developed your own fashion line, using those shopping tools within the platform as well, it's a great way to utilize all Instagram shops. They've made it really dynamic so that creators can sell directly on their platform. Again, it's even in a reel, like making a reel shoppable, right? And making content shoppable will help creators monetize, especially if they have products that they are creating themselves and selling directly. Now, one thing that I saw in my research that Facebook is doing is they're doing fan subscriptions, which is basically like membership, and YouTube does this as well, but it's like membership, right? So you pay a certain amount a month and you're able to access that influencers or creators, behind the scenes content or whatever that creator wants to share, right? They're basically allowing creators to have their own membership portals within the platform, which is super, super cool. So to me, it's like, if Facebook's doing it, it's going to come to Instagram. Can I say that with certainty? No, but I'm very, very strongly convinced that this is something that will happen, within the next year, that we're going to start seeing those memberships, those fan subscriptions that are happening on Facebook trickle over into Instagram. And the same with the paid online events. Facebook right now is allowing you to host paid online events. Like, you can host a workshop on Facebook and literally charge for it, right? So whatever your niche is, whatever type of creator you are, you can start hosting these online events, which is like super cool because you're getting paid from it, right? Directly on Facebook. This cuts out like building a website and like all the other things that you need to do. So I assume like on Instagram, this will also happen eventually, where you can host events that are paid for on Instagram. So we're seeing all these different ways that creators are able to monetize just on the platform itself. If you're kind of stuck on monetization as a creator and you're like, okay, well, like, I don't know which route to go, how I should monetize, what are the different areas that I can monetize in? Well, we do have something just for you. It's our monetization mindset course. It teaches you all the ways that you can monetize as an influencer or a creator. It walks you through a variety of different ways and helps you get started. So this way you're not just depending on, only one avenue, right? Not just brand partnerships or not just, merch or affiliates. It really builds out a holistic system for you to start making money as a creator. So if you're interested in that course, I will leave it below so that you could go ahead and get started. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video on creator monetization on Instagram and Facebook. Let me know what you think. What are some other things that you've heard are happening in our industry? I would love to hear from you, as I always do. I appreciate all the comments that you guys leave, and I will see you in the next video.